Over the course of the next few days, you'll be learning about a few of the American Revolution heroes that helped encourage and inspire the colonists to fight for independence from Great Britain. At the end of these 3 days, you will create a wanted poster for one of these men, imagined from the perspective of the British. The 4 heroes you'll be learning about are Benjamin Franklin, Samuel Adams, Thomas Paine, and Patrick Henry. Each of these men, in their own unique way, contributed to making the colonists want to fight for independence. You can do this project at whatever pace you'd like, but here's a recommended schedule. Today, read your articles about Benjamin Franklin and Samuel Adams, and take 2 or 3 notes on each man. Tomorrow, read about Thomas Paine and Patrick Henry, and take 2 or 3 notes on them as well. Your notes should try to be about big, important things the gentlemen did. Why would they be wanted by the British? What important big things were they doing to help the revolutionary effort? On the 3rd day, you will create a wanted poster for one of the 4 men, whomever you choose, from the perspective of the British. Why would the king want to silence them? What things were they doing to fight for freedom? Here's an example of what your poster might look like. As you can see, it's pretty simple. There are 4 things it needs to have on it. Number 1, the name of the hero who's wanted. Number 2, a hand-drawn picture of them. Yes, hand-drawn, just do your best. Number 3, the things they did that would make them wanted by the king. This is the most important one. What were they doing to fight for independence? What were they doing that the king would want to stop? And then lastly, have your reward listed on your wanted poster.